Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making the best purchasing decisions. Today, we're soaring high as we compare two fantastic drones. The Bwine F7 GPS upgraded drone, or as I like to call it, the Bwine F7, and the istone i5 drone, or simply the istone i5. We've got the Bwine F7 on the left and the istone i5 on the right. So let's dive in and see which one takes the crown in the ultimate drone showdown. Helicopter. First up, let's talk about the price. The Bwine F7 comes in at a cool $258. Meanwhile, the istone i5 is priced at a much more wallet-friendly $119. So, if you're on a budget, the istone i5 is like that friend who always knows where the happy hour deals are. But hey, sometimes you gotta pay to play, right? Next, let's zoom in on camera quality. The Bwine F7 boasts a 4K UHD camera with an adjustable 90 degrees angle. It's like having a tiny Spielberg in the sky. On the other hand, the istone i5 has a 1080p camera. Sure, it's decent, but it's like comparing a blockbuster movie to a home video. Bwine F7 clearly wins this round with its Hollywood-level visuals. Reviewers praise the Bwine F7 for its high-quality videos and photos, while many find the istone i5's camera quality lacking, with reports of poor video quality and lagging. Now, let's talk about flight time. The Bwine F7 offers a whopping 60 minutes thanks to its two batteries. It's like the marathon runner of drones. The istone i5, however, gives you 30 minutes, more of a casual jogger. So if you're planning on some serious aerial adventures, the Bwine F7 is your drone. Reviewers have noted the Bwine F7's good battery life and performance, while the istone i5's battery life is considered average. Moving on to intelligent functions. The Bwine F7 is packed with GPS and optical flow modes, waypoint flying, orbit mode, and even a follow me feature. It's basically the James Bond of drones. The istone i5 has headless mode, one key start landing, and hand gesture photo/video. It's more like the friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. Cool, but not quite 007. Bwine F7 takes this one too. Reviewers appreciate the advanced features of the Bwine F7, while many find the istone i5's features to be basic and sometimes unreliable. How about ease of use? Both drones are beginner-friendly, but the Bwine F7 comes with quick start instructions and tutorial videos on YouTube. Plus, it's drop-resistant. The istone i5 is also designed for beginners with features like altitude hold and a detailed manual. It's like comparing a safety net to a trampoline. Both help you bounce back, but one's just a bit more fun. Reviewers have found the Bwine F7 to be user-friendly and durable, while the istone i5 has mixed reviews, with some users experiencing issues with control and reliability. Finally, let's talk portability. The Bwine F7 folds up small enough to fit in your pocket, like a techie hamburger. The istone i5 is also foldable and comes with a carrying case. So both are easy to carry around, but the istone i5 might just edge out with that nifty case. Reviewers appreciate the portability of both drones, but the istone i5's carrying case is a notable plus. Overall, reviewers find the Bwine F7 to be a versatile, durable, and high-performing drone, offering great value for its price. The istone i5, on the other hand, is seen as a budget-friendly option, but with mixed reviews regarding its quality and reliability. So what's the final verdict? If you're looking for top-notch camera quality, epic flight time, and James Bond-level features, the Bwine F7 is your drone. But if you're on a budget and want something that's easy to use and portable, the istone i5 is a solid choice. And remember folks, whether you're flying high or just hovering around, always buy smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, happy shopping and happy flying. Helicopter Sparkles.